Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So as promised, I will definitely be continuing my little adventures here in Queensland. My car is packed. I'm actually heading camping with my brother this weekend. Good luck to him putting anything in my car because all the shit is mine. But we are heading out to Stanthorpe this weekend, so I'm gonna go pick him up. So it's about a 3-hour drive from Brisbane, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so our very first stop off is the Dags Falls, and this one is pretty much at Killarney. So we're about halfway out to Stanthorpe, if not a little bit further, but this one here is super easy. It's just a nice walkout platform that you can check out the falls. Alright guys, this is the Ballandine Pyramid. So this is just south of Stanthorpe, and I believe this stands at about 17.5 meters high, and the base is around 30 meters in width. But the whole actual pyramid itself has literally been built by just the owner, who just had way too much granite stone left over. So it's kind of cool, but I'm gonna get the drone up so we can see it from above. So we decided to come out to our camp and just set up nice and early so we could get a good spot, and we actually did. So we are camped right on the dam, and I'm pretty sure we're going to see the sunset as long as the cloud cover stays away. Although I did get my wish, and it has actually been really sunny just the last couple of days since I've gotten to Queensland, which I'm pretty stoked about. But from here we are going to head out to the underground creek. I've heard so many good things about it, and then tomorrow we'll be hitting up a lot of the hikes within the area, including the balancing rock hike as well. Apparently it's pretty hard, but as long as it doesn't rain it should be completely safe. But yeah, I'm pretty keen to get a fire going tonight, because right now where we are, we're technically in New South Wales, but the temperature just drops pretty significantly when you get a bit more inland as well. So yeah, campfire all the way tonight, but for now let's get back out, do a little bit more exploring, and then we'll set up for tonight. So as always with my planning skills, I didn't realize that it was actually a hike to get down to the underground creek, but it's only 2.8 kilometers and it's still relatively early in the afternoon, so we have plenty of time to be able to smash this hike out. So we're only 400 meters away from Dr. Robert's waterhole, so we're going to go check that one out first. Now that we've started walking, now I'm kind of worried we don't have time to do both, because I definitely don't want to be driving in the dark any longer. I've seen a lot of kangaroos and I don't want that to happen again, but either way, we're not talking about that. It's in the past, but let's get to this hike and we'll see what we can get. All right, if you are visiting the area, take my word for it, don't go that way. That was actually really boring. So we're going to backtrack. It was only 400 meters either way, so it's fine. But we're going to backtrack now and we're going to head over to the underground creek. So fingers crossed we make it back in time. But yeah, I think it just looks a little bit darker because the cloud cover, but we'll see if we can make it there. All right, that was definitely one of those spots where I'm so glad we made the trek to get out there. So now the sun is definitely setting, so we're gonna make our way back to the car, probably about maybe like a 20-minute walk, if that, and then it's about a 30-minute drive to get back to camp. So we have got a lot to get done before the sun sets, and then we still want to set up a campfire as well. So let's get to it, and I'll see you guys back at camp. Morning guys, so we are back out at the Girraween National Park this morning. So this morning we're going to do the bigger hike, which I think is about 4.3 kilometers up to the pyramids or the balancing rock. So pretty keen for that one. Might be a little bit steep, but we'll see how we go with it. For those of you who have been following my journey for a little while now, you will know that I am terrified of heights. So we can actually see like the peak of the pyramid of where we're heading to now. It is so much steeper than I was expecting. And there's also so many people up there. I'm going to see if I can zoom in and show you guys, but the sun is right behind us. I'm not sure if I'll be able to capture it, but I'm a little bit nervous now. All right, I don't know if I'm just getting way more used to being at heights, but that was actually very easy, and that's coming from me. So if you guys are gonna come check out this spot, honestly, push through it. I mean, the way down could be a little bit different, but I thought that was a pretty cool hike. But either way, we're gonna make our way back down now, and then I'm gonna see what else there was in the area that we're gonna check out. So we were on our way over to Bald Rock, and my maps gave me two directions that I could go in. Obviously I took the shorter one, but it actually took us to like this private road that you had to call the owner to actually get access, but literally no reception at all. And I didn't really feel like backtracking 30 minutes just to do another like hour drive. So we decided to start making our way back home, and we've just stopped off at Queen Mary Falls. So we're going to check out these falls, and then I might close up the video there. Now to get down to the bottom of the fall, so all up, I believe it's only like 2 kilometers, but I have a feeling there is going to be a lot of stairs. Alright guys, that is a wrap for this week's video. So we're going to make our way back up to the top of the waterfall and then head home, but make sure you do check back in next week. I'm hoping to get down to Byron Bay because I am hoping to get out to Julian Rocks to do some diving, but that is very much weather dependent, so make sure you do check back in. But yes, as always guys, thank you guys so much for watching.
It's so bad.
Hi, beautiful. You're so cute.
That's it. I can't.